We have designed Gaia to be as fun and user-friendly as possible, making a hydroponic growing solution a natural part of every home all over the world.
Our ambition is to equip consumers around the world and to turn city people into sustainable farmers, building a profitable company for our shareholders.
We believe that the Gaia grow system and hydroponic growing systems will revolutionize how we grow foods, vegetables, plants in the home. Consider what the fridge meant to the world population when it was introduced. To be able to store fresh food in the home.
We have noticed and believe that the interest for hydroponic growing have dramatically increased during the last couple of years. But we need help to get Gaia Grow system to a full-scale market. We believe that the driving force is the modern consumer's will and ambition to lead a sustainable and healthy lifestyle.
Yeah, well, I think a lot of people, myself included, are becoming increasingly concerned about living sustainably and also just eating a more vegetable-centric diet. And of course they say, eat local, but in some places like Scandinavia or Boston, where I'm from, not a lot grows in the winter. But if you have a hydroponics unit, you can grow local food year-round. And then you also don't have the plastic packaging that you would get from the grocery store or the fossil fuels that are needed to transport it as well. And especially with the Gaia grow system that has the growing technique already down, that's really attractive to me because as much as I would love to grow my own food, I'm actually pretty bad at it. I have kind of a black thumb, so I'm very attracted to something that's very simple. Like I don't need to learn a lot. I can just plug it in and start growing my plants right away.
It is a modular kit, making it truly versatile. A single tabletop or several grow boxes on top of each other, standing on the floor in a vertical way. That's what we believe constitutes a great human-centered Scandinavian design.
Healthcare costs have skyrocketed in developing countries to treat diet-related diseases like diabetes and obesity. There is a window of opportunity for business to drive progress through innovation. Invest now and be part of our exciting journey ahead. Together creating a sustainable future for generations to come.
Det som luktar så gott med tomat.